Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter second. Chapter name is Computer Peripherals. Students, before understanding the peripherals, we have to discuss about the some hardware parts. The parts which are connected to the CPU, you can say all are the peripherals. You can use your speakers, those are the part of peripherals. You can use your microphone, that is also the peripherals. Means other than CPU, the parts which are connected, most essential parts, you can say your keyboard, mouse. Other than these devices connected to your CPU, all are the part of peripherals. So are you ready? Start. First of all, we have to understand what are peripheral devices. A computer is supported many other devices which coordinate together to perform a task. These supporting devices are called peripheral device. Already, students, I have told you the extra parts other than the main essential parts like your keyboard, mouse, CPU. इसके अलावा जो भी parts आपके system से connected हैं, all are the peripheral devices. Hardware. These peripheral devices are also known as hardware. So students, here is the four types of hardware. In this chapter we will discuss about the input device, about output device, and about storage device, because processing device is not the part of your peripheral devices, because this is the main device. First is input device. Already in the last chapter we have to discuss about the input devices, but once again, input device. Input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. For example, input devices includes keyboards, mouse, scanner, digital camera, joystick, microphone, etc. Or other words, you can say, in the simple words, you can say the device which is used to give data or instructions to the computer, known as input device. Here are some examples also of the input device. Your scanner, that is peripheral. Your joystick, that is peripheral. Your mouse, digital camera, web camera. This is the trackball. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most important, most essential input device of the computer system. मैक्सिमम वर्क हम कीबोर्ड की हेल्प से कर सकते हैं. तो व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस? दिस इज मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड इनपुट डिवाइस. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर एंटरिंग डाटा into a computer system. A keyboard has 4 different types of keys. How many types of keys in a keyboard? 4 types. Numeric keys 0 to 9, alphabet keys A to Z, function keys F1 to F12. These are total 12 keys. Special character keys, your space, your enter, your other symbols are also included into special character keys. Mouse. It is one of the most commonly input pointing device. It allows us to select an icon with the movement of the mouse cursor. Students, one is the just like a arrow. When we move that arrow, mouse, that arrow moves. That is called mouse pointer. The main functions, main actions of mouse are the 3. One is the click. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे हम क्लिक करेंगे डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन पे, that will be selected. When you will double click on it, that will open. When you right click, it shows context menu. Joystick. This is mainly used for playing games. It is an input device used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by the computer. Joystick का जो मेन काम है, this is used for playing video games on the computer system, or you can say playing games on the computer system. After that, output devices. An output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Most computer data output that is meant for humans is in the form of audio or video. Thus, most output devices used by humans are in these categories. For example, includes monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit, projectors, speakers, headphones, and printers. Or in the simple words, you can say the device which is used to produce result to the user, known as output device. For example, monitor, projector, speaker, headphone, and printer. Here are some images of your examples of your output. This is the projector, printer, headphone, speakers, monitor, and speakers. This is the headphone. These are the speakers. Okay. Next, monitor. This is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It is most commonly used output device. It looks like television. It shows our work on the screen. Printer. It gives output on the paper when connected to a computer system. The printer matter obtained by a printer is called hard copy. Students, the output which is produced by the printer is known as hard copy output, but the output produced by the monitor, that is known as soft copy. Speakers. Speakers allow listening to music or songs played by the computer. If you want to listen the voice of your computer system, we have to use speakers or headphones. Storage device. A storage device is used for storing, porting, and accessing data, files, and objects. It can hold and store information both temporarily and permanently. It can be internal or external to a computer. Or, in the simple words, you can say, a storage device is used to store information temporarily or permanently and can be fixed or portable, known as a storage device. Student, here is the two words. One is the fixed and second is portable. Portable means easily you can transfer from one computer to another computer. एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर पे easily हम डाटा जिस डिवाइसेस के हेल्प से ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. That storage device is known as portable storage device. But कुछ storage devices are fixed inside your CPU box, like this hard disk. This is the fix inside your CPU. Easily you cannot transfer from one computer to another computer. Students, look at this. This is the floppy disk. Nowadays it is not used because its storage capacity is very less. Because in a floppy disk we can store 1.44 MB data. कितना डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं फ्लॉपी में? 1.44. But cost is the floppy and CD both are the same. In a floppy we can store, in a CD we can store 700 MB data, but in floppy 1.44 MB. CD for compact disc and DVD for digital versatile disc. This is your memory card used in your mobile phones. This is the pen drive, most commonly used portable storage device. Here are some examples of storage device: hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, pen drive, and floppy disk. Exercise. What is the full form of DVD? Digital versatile disk. D for digital, V for versatile, and D for disk. What is the storage capacity of 3.5 inches है उसका floppy disk. 1.44 MB data can be stored. How many function keys are present on the keyboard? 12 function keys are there. What does MICR stands for? Magnetic Ink Characters Reader. But sometimes you will find रीडर की जगह कई बार हमें क्या रिकॉग्निशन भी मिलेगा. तो मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रीडर और मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन. Where do you use joystick? Joystick, students, already have told you, it is used for playing games in the computer. For playing games in computer. What are peripheral devices? A computer is supported by many other devices which coordinate together to perform a task. These supporting devices are called peripheral devices. How will you classify peripheral devices according to function? Name them. Functions के according 3 types: input devices, storage devices and output devices. Define input device with 2 examples. Input device is used to give instructions to the computer, known as input device. Examples include हैं इसके अंदर कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, डिजिटल कैमरा, joystick and microphones. Name the different type of keys present on keyboard: numeric keys, alphabet keys, function keys, special character keys. What are secondary storage devices? Give 2 examples. A storage device is used to store information temporarily or permanently. It can be fixed or portable, known as storage device. For example, CDs and DVDs. Why floppy disks are presently not popular as secondary storage device? I have already told you, student, it can storage very less storage capacity. Because storage capacity is very less of a floppy disk. That's why it is not popular nowadays. Classify the following devices into input output storage device. Students: microphone, input device; barcode reader, input device; scanner, input device; joystick, input device; pen drive, storage device. Thank you very much and have a good day.